Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review how reliable is Land Rover Defender, updated. Focus on common issues, maintenance tips, and ownership costs to decide if a Defender fits your driving habits and budget. Start by checking service records and known trouble spots like electronics and suspension. Consider mileage, off-road use, and previous repairs when estimating future expenses. A pre-purchase inspection saves money and reveals whether a Defender is a rewarding but demanding choice. Owners frequently report electrical glitches that affect lights, sensors, and infotainment, and those can be intermittent and frustrating. Air suspension issues can be expensive to diagnose and fix, especially on older models with heavy use. Rust typically appears around wheel arches and underbody areas, and addressing it early prevents structural damage. Regular inspections and prompt repairs reduce long-term costs and help keep a Defender reliable and enjoyable to drive. Stick to scheduled service intervals and keep a detailed record of every repair and fluid change to preserve reliability and resale value. Replace wear items like bushings, brake pads, and filters before they cause secondary damage. When dealing with complex electronics or air suspension, choose technicians experienced with Land Rover systems to avoid misdiagnosis. Budget for slightly higher maintenance costs than average cars, and you'll enjoy the Defender's capability with fewer surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.